how to fix EA launcher not launching games. So if you want to fix the EA app not launching the games or launcher not launching the games, then what you need to do is just right click on your EA. Once you right click, it will have the properties option. Go with properties and go with the compatibility option. And here you will have run this program in compatibility mode you need to choose Windows 8. And after that, go with apply and then OK, and your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't, then what you need to do is right click on your Windows, go with run, and under run, you need to simply type % local app data %, and then hit the enter. And after that, here you will have the EA folders. So you just need to simply go with the EA folders if you have them. And here you will have electronic arts and an EA desktop, right? You just need to simply right click on it and then go with the delete, and again go with electronic arts and then go with delete. Once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't, move on to the next solution or the third step, which is to check the user variables. To do this, you need to right click on your Windows icon and then click on the system option and then go with the advanced system settings, which is right here. After that, click on environmental variables, which is right here. And then if we see game data, dir, in the user variables, we need to delete it. Once we do that, now we can close from here and then we should move on to the next step, which is fourth step, is to change the clock settings. To do that, you can simply go with the search section and then go with the control panel. Open up your control panel and then go with the clock and region option. And after that, go with region. Now click on the administrative tab. Once you're under the administrative tab, now click on the change system local. And what you need to do is just tick the beta option. After that, we need to click on OK. Once we click on that, we need to restart your computer, and after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.